everyone. Today we'll see how to create a two-node cluster with PowerHA on Linux. So firstly you need to have two nodes where PowerHA is already installed. Then you have to enter the details of both your nodes inside two files. So the first file is etc hosts file, where you need to enter the IP address followed by the host name of both your nodes. The second file is etc cluster rhost, where you need to mention the IP addresses of both your nodes. After this, we'll use clmgr command to create the cluster. clmgr add cluster, then name of the cluster. You can use any name here. Nodes equal to, here you have to give the host name of node A, because we are firstly creating a one node cluster and then we'll add the second node inside this already created cluster. So now as you can see here, cluster has been successfully created. Now it is creating the default network which has been created, which is netEther01. So cluster creation has been completed. After this, you can check using clmgr query cluster command that it has been created successfully. By default, the state of the cluster is offline. You can also check the number of nodes which are currently the part of this cluster using clmgr query node command. So this is the single node which is currently the part of this cluster. Now we'll add the second node inside this cluster using clmgr add node and the host name of your node 2. Enter. So the second node has been added to this already created cluster. You can verify this using clmgr query node command. Now you can see that both these nodes are the part of this cluster. Now we'll start the cluster using clmgr start cluster command. It will make your cluster now in online state, which you can verify using clmgr query cluster. Here now the state of the cluster will be online, which was earlier offline. So in this presentation we have covered creation of a two-node cluster with PowerHA on Linux.